Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft invalid session problem. It's easy. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then type control panel, click on it, and after that click network and sharing center, and now you will find here access type internet. Now just click here internet or Wi-Fi and then click properties. And after that on here click protocol internet version 4 and click properties, and on here just make sure to copy those numbers here and select used following DNS. Now click OK and close it. After that restart your PC, and before starting Minecraft just make sure to turn off to close all the applications that you don't need here. And that's it. Now your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.